Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions part 29. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. According to the COVID-19 and tourism accessing the economic consequences published by UNCTAD, the world tourism sector could lose how much money? So the correct answer is A, which is 1.2 trillion USD. The United Nations Conference on Trade and Development published the report COVID-19 and tourism, assessing the economic consequences, stating that the world tourism sector could lose around 1.2 trillion USD or 1.5% of the GDP because of the 4-month lockdown due to global pandemic situation. Question number 2. Edelweiss Asset Management Company, a subsidiary of Edelweiss Capital Limited, has decided to bring the second installment of the Bharat Bond ETF with two new series to raise how much fund in July 2020. So the correct answer option A, which is rupees 14,000 crores. Edelweiss Asset Management Company, a subsidiary of Edelweiss Capital Limited, has decided to bring the second installment of Bharat Bond ETF with two new series to raise rupees 14,000 crore in July 2020. Question number 3. US-based electronic chip maker Intel's investment arm, Intel Capital, will buy 0.39% stake in which Indian platform for rupees 1,894.50 crores. So the correct answer option B, which is Reliance Industries Limited. US-based electronic chip maker Intel's investment arm, Intel Capital, to buy rupees 0.39% stake in Reliance Industries Limited Geo platforms for rupees 1,894.50 crore. This is the 12th deal of Geo platform. With this investment, Geo platform has raised rupees 1,17,588.45 crores from global investors. Question number 4. Which company has decided to acquire about 25% stake in India's second largest telecom company, Bharti Airtel data center business, Nextra Data Limited, for $235 million? So the correct answer is C, which is Carlyle Group. American multinational private equity company Carlyle Group has decided to acquire about 25% stake in India's second largest telecom company, Bharti Airtel's data center business, Nextra Data Limited, for $235 million. Question number 5. Which company will acquire Zoox, a self-driving startup founded in 2014? So the correct answer is D, which is Amazon. Amazon announced that it will acquire Zoox, a self-driving startup founded in 2014 that has raised nearly $1 billion in funding and which aims to develop autonomous driving technology, including vehicle, for the purpose of providing a full stack solution for ride hailing. Question number 6. Which company will close its physical stores location permanently? Correct answer option B, which is Microsoft. Microsoft crops state it will close its physical stores location permanently, but will continue to invest in digital storefront that, along with third-party retailers, has driven sale of products such as the Xbox game player and Surface tablets. Question number 7. Which company has signed an agreement to acquire the 49% of stake in Odisha Power Generation Corporations? So the correct answer is C, which is Adani Power Limited. Adani Power Limited has signed an agreement to acquire the 49% of stake in Odisha Power Generation Corporation from the affiliate of the US-based global energy company AES Corporation for USD 135 million. The remaining 51% stake in OPGC is held by the government of Odisha. Question number 8. Which Indian company became the first Indian company to reach a market capitalization of rupees 11 trillion? So the correct answer is option B, which is Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited became the first Indian company to reach the market capitalization of rupees 11 trillion, as the company was valued at rupees 11.15 trillion. With this, Reliance accounts for nearly 9% of the country's total MCAP of rupees 138 trillion. Its stock on Bombay Stock Exchange was recorded high at rupees 1738.95. Notably, the company's share doubled since mid-March 2020. Question number 9. Which AMC has recently launched first corporate bond ETF? So the correct answer is C, which is Edelweiss Asset Management Company. Edelweiss Asset Management Company, a subsidiary of Edelweiss Capital Limited, has launched India's first corporate bond ETF called the Bharat Bond ETF. The ETF is a government initiative and Edelweiss AMC was given the mandate to design and manage the product. Question number 10. A national level business meet was organized by CPWD in which city? So the correct answer is C, which is New Delhi. CPWD organized a national level business meet in New Delhi. The national level meeting was held to get the views from the client and stakeholders about the service provided by CPWD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.